We are still bullish on the stock market. We like the fact that the S&P 500 is up about 14.5% year to date. Do believe that we're going to continue to see that happen through the rest of the year, albeit a little bit slower pace than what we're currently at. We also like bonds. We do believe that we're going to get a Fed rate cut, which will leave the bond market still with a fairly decent return, somewhere in the 5% neighborhood. Our portfolios are pretty evenly balanced right at the moment, with about a 50-50 mix for most clientele, as we just believe that both parts of the economy are starting to slow just a little bit. So we like to have a little bit of extra cushion in the bond market right at the moment. It is a presidential election year, so we are looking to have additional volatility as the year goes on, but end the year strong. So don't give up on the market. You may have some up and downs and bumps along the way, but we do believe that you'll be pleased if you stick with it through the end of the year.